Hello everyone, this is Smita from Informatica GCS. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to use Infa9logs utility to collect logs in PowerCenter. Agenda of this session are as follow. Introduction to Infa9logs. What are all the prerequisites to collect Infa9logs and where we can find this utility? Command and example command demo on the scene. Infa9logs is a log collection utility. This will be provided with Informatica installation. It can be used to collect all the application logs by running one command. This is available in both Windows and Unix environments, and this can be found in a directory Infa Home Tools Debug Tools Infa9logs. Also, this will reduce amount of time spent on collecting all the logs in different location. You can run one command and collect both application logs and the node logs in one go. Let's see what are all the prerequisites to run this utility. First, we need to set info home environment variable to point to Informatica installation directory and Java home to point to JRE installed. If you are on Linux or Windows, Java home should point to the Java which we provide with Informatica installation. If you are on AX, it should point to the JRE which you have installed. Command is as below. In the directory which I have mentioned earlier, you can find a script file or a batch file called stat-infa-logs. You should provide output directory, an administrator username and password. Start date and end date are optional. If you want to collect all the logs, you can leave this start date and end date. Let's see a demo on how to collect Infa9logs in Linux environment. Currently, I am in the directory where utility is present. In that directory, I can see a script file called startinfologs.sh. I can invoke that file. So first thing it checks is whether info home is set properly and Java home is set properly. After that, it will check whether all the mandatory fields to this command to run is provided. So now I have given all the parameter required to run this command. I have given output directory as info home and I have used administrator as a username and password. Let's run this command. It might take some time because it has to run few commands internally. So let's wait for that. So currently you can see that there are 5 services running. So if you want to collect logs for all the services, you can select the last option 6, or if you want to collect logs for any of the particular application service, you can select that number which is there. Currently I'm going to select all of the above. So collecting the logs might take some time. Let's wait for. Once the log collection is done, it will create the zip file like this in the location which you have provided. Let's see whether we can find this zip file or not. I can see a zip file created in the home directory. You can provide this to any of the keys for further analysis. We would love to hear your feedback. You can write to us using supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can leave your comments using Twitter handler InfaSupport. Thank you.